In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your trunk lid lift support on your Mazda 3. It's located on the trunk. All right, make sure your trunk lid is supported or pushed all the way back before beginning. You're going to pry open this clip and pull off the rod. And then we're going to do this other side, doing the same thing. So slide a flathead screwdriver and pull off. All right, so now you're going to line it up and push it on. If it doesn't push on, you can lift up this thing and push it on that way. Do the same on the bottom. So that one seems a little stiff. You can go ahead and pry that up a little. You might have to pull down on the trunk and just make sure the clip is back where it belongs. And there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.